Hi friends, hello everybody's watching this video right now. This is the Tim Waider right here, and today will be a really useful video for everybody who wants to make money online, because from today you will discover that things with which one you can start to make real money every single day. And it's really important and absolutely possible for everyone, guys, to make it everywhere where you situated right now. It doesn't matter your location, doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter your profession. You can do the money. All you need, just watch this video to the end and you will receive that knowledge which can help you to make money every single day.
Sometimes I think that I'm unstoppable. Yeah, ready to go, man. Lock it low.
Alright friends, so right now you will discover how you can make money every single day just by using that things which you use in every single time, like Facebook, like WhatsApp, like Viber, like Google+, like Instagram and other social media. Many people, they every time just doing this stuff for the entertainment. They chatting a long time on the Facebook, they just watching the news, they watching videos, they use it just for fun. But guys, you can imagine and start to make money with this. And this is what we're doing in the BIP company, because I received all the time in many of my videos, I'm telling this to the people, I received a lot of the questions from the people on my WhatsApp, on the Facebook. They're asking me, Tim, what are you doing for making the money? Tim, what are you doing for the traveling? How all of this is work? How the BIP is work? How the network marketing is work? And guys, right now I want to give you the simple advices and simple examples. I want to just tell you how you can make this money exactly like I do in the BIP company. You can do the same. So guys, what you must have to start to make really incredible money in the BIP company? First of all, you should have the WhatsApp, and for sure you must have a smartphone or just the tablet or maybe a laptop or something like that. But I think everybody have the telephone, everybody have the smartphone, because everybody using the Facebook, everybody using the WhatsApp. So you must have WhatsApp, you must have Facebook, you must have registration in the Instagram and the Google+, in the different social media. As more you can make the registration, as more people you can find, so as more profit you can make. So it's the simple advice for the many people. And right now just I want to explain you why a lot of the people, they every time searching for the making money online, they every time searching for the different methods, but they still with zero. They do not understand why they cannot make money. Because 2 days ago I was speak with some guy, and he told me, Tim, every time I'm trying something new, every time I'm trying to start some project, every time I'm trying to register on the new website, and it doesn't work. And it doesn't work, I cannot make the money. So guys, what I want to tell you, you must to find first of all the great company with the great leadership, and you must to find that people who already was succeed there, who already make something. So you see that the company is legit, so you see that people is really making money there, so it's not a scam, so you are not gonna lose anything. And you need to find that guys who will teach you how to make money online. So I think this is really simple for understanding, and most of the people, they do not understand this. I don't know why. So guys, the other thing, you must use the Facebook, the social media, the WhatsApp and all of this stuff for your profit, not just for the spending time, like you just go and you're watching videos, you like listen to music, you're chatting with your friends, but you spending your time, guys, in nowhere. You spending your time in the nowhere. So if you want to start to make money online, Facebook, WhatsApp and the social media will be enough for you to start to make the money, because all you need to have is the communication. Every time you must to call to the people, every time you must to talk to people, every time you must to, as more people you find, as more people you explain about the opportunities, as more money you can make. Because in the different businesses and in all businesses, everything is about the communication, is about the talk to people. So if you're afraid to talk to people, first of all, what you must do, it's learn how to talk to people. So don't be afraid to do that which brings the profit. Yeah, it's really simple. You don't need to be afraid. You don't need to be afraid, guys, to talk to people. It's really simple things. Because a lot of the people which I bring in the BIP, they start to make the money, and after that they disappear. So just I don't understand. I ask them, call them, I say, listen bro, why you quiet? Why you don't do nothing? He said, I'm afraid to talk to people, I'm afraid to communicate, I'm afraid to upload the photos on the Facebook, I'm afraid to upload the photos on the Instagram to tell the people what I'm doing. Guys, you must to first understand that your life in your hands, so you can do whatever you want, and the people is don't care. But if you will be succeed in your life, you will be also don't care about them. So your decision is only up to you. Don't be afraid of the anything. You want to do something, so go and do it. New video, you make it, you upload on the YouTube, you upload on the Facebook. You tell the people about the opportunities. You explain them about what did you find about the company, about the, because not just be epic. The people think that you can make the money just in the be epic. No, guys, a lot of the companies, a lot of the network marketing, good companies, and not just network marketing, where the people they making the powerful and great commission. But I want to tell you that be epic for me is the best, because like I said, I'm working right now here already more than 1 year, and I see that many people, they really succeed here. They buying the new cars, they buying the new houses, they traveling, and also I'm traveling, guys. So it's give freedom. I love to do that business which gives freedom, guys. So if you also wants to do the same, if you also wants to find something like this, so my advice for you guys, first of all, you must don't be afraid of doing that which brings profit. And this is really simple. This is really simple and excited thing. You don't need to be afraid. All you need is the using WhatsApp. All you need is the using Facebook, Instagram, that things which you're using already, every single day. But you must to use it for the good communication, which will bring you the profit. For the business communication, explain the people about the projects, explain the people about the maybe some things. Maybe, you know, some of the guys, they selling some stuff through the internet, but 90% of the people, they spending the time in the social media for the nowhere, just for fun. So don't make these mistakes. Don't make these mistakes, guys. You want to start to make great money online, you must first think about how you will spend your time. Spend your time to the profit. Every time when you see some opportunity, check from the bottom to the top who's working in that company. Check everything. Contact that people. Look some results. Find the people who already succeed in this company, and just start to make the same. Guys, why I love network marketing, because everybody here have the chance. Everybody here the chance to start to make great commission. Everybody have the chance to be succeed. And I think this is on the 100% the perfect business, because you don't need big investment here. You don't need to buy a lot of the stuff. You don't need to pay for the rent. Like, you can start to make the money from the $24.95 package, and this is even not the investment, because you get in the product for yourself. You get in the product which you're using every single day. The great product, the unique product, and explain to the people. Because in the network marketing, all you need is just talk to people. Talk to people every time. Call, talk every day. Call, talk every day. Make the list of the people, and every 2 weeks put the new people there and propose them the business, propose them the product, propose them to change the life. And like this is work. Like this is work, guys. Just you must to show your life, you must to show there what you're doing, and using the simple stuff which you're using already for the profit, for your business. Because business online, it's not like traditional business, guys. It's not like traditional business on the earth like you're doing. You must show the people every time, because people is follow you. They follow you on the Instagram, they follow you on the Facebook, they follow you on the YouTube, guys. They look what you're doing, and if they see that you are successful, if they see that you're doing something great, they want to know what is this, because everybody wants to have the same things. Everybody wants to find success. Everybody wants to make more money. Everybody wants to be healthy. So I propose every time for the new people who wants to join Be Epic, guys, this is the really great business where you have zero to lose. And the tools here, guys, the tools on the 100% simple is that tools which you're using every single day. I said that 10 times today on this video, and I will say 11. The Facebook, the WhatsApp, the Google Plus, guys, the social media, the Instagram, all of this can bring the money for you. Just you must to change your imagination about this. All you need to start to make money in the Be Epic, all you need to start to make money in the network marketing is the communication, guys. Communication and all the tools you have already. Some of the people who don't know how to start, you can join our Facebook groups. All the links will be in the description. Also, all my contacts in the description. You every time can ask. And why I love it, because every time you can even call and I will answer in the different places, in the different countries. I every time online, guys. And even in that time when I'm not online, I will reply you when I will see your message. Guys, so what do you think right now? What are you waiting for? All the links in the description. The simple stuff for making money online, it's already, you know it. The key for open the door, you already have it. So your time and your decision right now. Link in the description. Join Be Epic right now. There's the zero to lose. We have the incredible compensation plan. We have the incredible leadership. We have the Hollywood stars, guys, who work in this company, like Larry and Gary Lane. And I think this is the only 100% perfect and excited thing. You can start to make the money right now. You can start to make money every time and everywhere. You can travel. You can do whatever you want. And like right now, you know, guys, I'm in Czech Republic. You can be also everywhere and make that what I'm doing already. Guys, it was Tim Waider. Don't forget, don't lose your chance. Don't lose your chance, and don't forget to be elevated. Don't forget to be elevated, because Be Epic is on the 100% that business which can bring you to success. I already feel it, and I want you also to feel it right now.
Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come.